Hey, what's up? Today I want to make a quick review about these Kalkal boots. They were sent to me so I can check them out. And as an outdoors man, I always have a good pair of boots with me in my truck or when I go traveling and overlanding. So I have used this and I really like them, and I'm gonna just tell you about some of the features or the highlights that I think why you might want to get these boots. One is the materials. It's completely waterproof, so I have used them in the rain, I have used them in mud and in wet conditions, and my feet keep dry at all the time. So I think that's a priority when using these kind of boots. The other thing that I really like is that they are short, so they don't take too much space in my truck or when I'm traveling. That's one thing that it's important for me. And the other thing is that they're most likely like shoes, so it's not like the regular boots that I always have one of those too, but these ones I can use them like, I don't know, to go to the supermarket. Wherever I'm traveling, I can go with this and they don't look like using the regular high boots. Another important point is the sole. This really grabs on anything. And when I'm working, I need a good grip, and these ones make the job. And finally, they are very easy to put on and off. And that's very important, because if you have used one of these, you know that sometimes they're all muddy. You don't want to get your hands muddy taking them off like this. So they have in the back this grip, and it's really big, so it's very easy to take them off and put them on. So if you're looking for a pair of boots, as I was saying, with the highlights that I just provided, look no further. For sure, these ones, they're gonna make a great job for you. I hope this is helpful, and see you in the next one.